Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Borsania Nisar. Right now I am in ATL lab, Atal Tinkering Lab, which is only available in our Nalanda school in our Morbi district. This is a tone keyboard which plays three different sounds. This device is used in multi-tone devices like piano, harmonium, and students are learn different sensors like IR sensor, PIR sensor, servo motors, and many more components. I have scored 93.8% in my 10th board exam. I have been able to achieve this because of the personal support I got from Jayesh Gami sir, principal ma'am, and all my teachers. Weekly system of our school helped me to revise the chapters in depth. Various extra vocational classes are organized in our school during the vacation for us. The various faculties of various subjects like Jayesh Gami sir who taught us physics, Dubaria sir who taught us Hindi, Rukmani ma'am who taught us chemistry, Kokil sir who taught us SS, Pinkal sir who taught us English, and Prashant sir who taught us maths, and Hardik sir who taught us bio. And I especially thanks Karthik sir who gave us guidelines for maths in different chapters at regular intervals. Thank you. Namaskar.
Right, hello, good morning. Right now I am in resource room where we can search anything regarding studies we want. My name is Khushi Godhani. I have scored 93.2% in my 10th class. Shifting from state board to CBSE was a big challenge for me, but with the help of Nalanda teachers it became very easy, and within 1 year I became very confident, and the professional nature of the management to score higher every time, the motherly care of Sushma ma'am, and the friendly nature and dedication of the teachers has helped me a lot in my success. 93.2% which I have scored is the hard work and dedication of teachers and my friends. Studying in Nalanda, the school in Morbi, which puts values in life first, provides the best atmosphere for learning where each student feels that he or she is studying at home. Once again, I would like to thank all my dear teachers and the principal for everything that they have guided to me, and this has helped me a lot in my success. So, my dear friends, in Morbi and outside Morbi, what are you waiting for? To get the best, come and get the best. The place for you is Nalanda.
Hello friends, right now I am in the art room of my school. Art speaks where words are unable to speak. My name is Purva Dhamsania and I have scored 92.8% in my board exams. Drawing is one of my passions, and now I need to thank Nalanda who had provided me such a great platform to flourish my dreams and build my passion. Nalanda, the school which gives focus on their students and provide 100% of attention, guidance and care to their children. Nalanda provides various facilities like science lab where we are taken on frequent basis where we are taken on frequent basis to perform our practicals, and these practicals help us lot to score good marks in subjects like science and maths. The system of weekly tests, which gave us very positive impact on our studies, where all our small doubts used to get clear every week. The teachers and management planned our course in such a smooth manner that our whole syllabus used to get complete in the month of November, and we got whole 3 months to revise our course in detail. The school conducted prelims for the school conducted prelims so that we can perform our final exams very easily, and that prelims gave us immense confidence to give our final exams. Subject like social science, which were one of my weakest subjects, became my favorite subject because of innovative ideas and methods provided by the teachers. So, at last, I want to thank teachers, management, principal, my family, and especially my parents, with whom for all the things they have done for me. Thank you.
Education is the key to success, and teachers create a long lasting impact on students' life. Namaskar everyone, I am Hagdi Sirashia. Generally, a school pays more importance on education. But in our Nalanda, our teachers, management, and my parents equally supported me to take part in sports as well. I represented at district level and at state level. In Diwali break, if we had any doubts, the teachers and management were so cooperative that they helped us to solve that doubt. One thing that I learned from Nalanda is that education is not bounded to four walls. Our teachers taught us with various innovative methods that made all the students keen at their education. Our 10th started in the month of May. That extra time played a very important role in our education. This way, our 10th was very successful. Every day we had 1 hour of remedial. This was a doubt solving session. This helped us a lot. All the respective subject teachers were available at that time. And if we had any doubt, we can consult that teacher and our doubts would be solved. Once again, I am heartily thankful to all those who helped me in scoring such wonderful marks. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Hed. It was a wonderful journey at Nalanda School. I did not realize how the time passed by and I passed out my class 10 with excellent marks. I got 92.8% in my board exams. All the credit of this goes to the full days. In full days, we clear all our doubts. All the teachers of various subjects solved each and every doubt. Our teachers help us a lot. Remedial classes which were held at our school played a very important role in my improvement. This was the time when we went to the teachers personally and solved our doubts. Teacher helped us a lot. I was very clear from the beginning that after the 10th I will continue with the science. So the foundation classes which started at our school played a very important role in building the strong base of 11th and 12th. In our school, foundation classes were for 9th class and 10th class. I attended the class for 2 years in 9th and 10th. After attending the class in foundation course, I found numericals of physics very easy in the 10th, as well as I hope that in 11th also. A very unique thing about our school is that there is a regular follow-up taken by the coordinators, principal, and on top of that, JS sir. Teachers take personal care of the students. I think this is the main reason why my all friends got very good marks. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम पुण्यापी गोगल गांधी है। मैं नालंदा विद्यालय में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं तबला बजाऊंगा और मेरे गुरु विमल सर मेरे साथ संगत करेंगे। मैं तबला में त्रिताल और उसके कायदे और पलटे बजाऊंगा। 92% आए, जिसके लिए मैं अपने स्कूल को धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। એમાં અમારી સ્કૂલના મેનેજમેન્ટનો એક મોટો હાથ હતો. અમારી સ્કૂલનું મેનેજમેન્ટ એટલે કે અમારા ટ્રસ્ટી જયેશ સર અને પ્રિન્સિપલ સુષ્મા મેમ મેનેજમેન્ટ બહુ સારી રીતના કરે છે. જ્યારે પણ અમને જરૂર હોય છે ત્યારે તે અમને માર્ગદર્શન પૂરું પાડે છે. અમારા ટીચર્સ બહુ કોઓપરેટિવ છે. અમને અમારા ડાઉટ સોલ્વ જ્યારે પણ અમે ડાઉટ સોલ્વ કરવા જઈએ ત્યારે અમને ડાઉટ સોલ્વ કરી અને ભણવામાં અમારું માર્ગદર્શન પૂરું પાડે છે. અમારી સ્કૂલ દર અઠવાડિયે એક વીકલી ટેસ્ટનું આયોજન કરે છે, જેનાથી અમારો દરેક વિષય સરખી રીતે તૈયાર થાય છે. અમારી સ્કૂલ અમારો કોર્સ ડિસેમ્બર માસ સુધીમાં જ પૂરો કરી દે છે, જેથી કરીને અમે ડિસેમ્બર, જાન્યુઆરી અને ફેબ્રુઆરીમાં રિવિઝન કરી શકીએ છીએ. આ રિવિઝન રાઉન્ડમાં દરેક સબ્જેક્ટના 3 રાઉન્ડ આવે છે અને એક્ઝામ પણ હોય છે, જેથી કરીને બધાય સબ્જેક્ટ સરખી રીતે તૈયાર થઈ જાય છે. અમારી સ્કૂલ 9મા અને 10મા ધોરણ માટે ફાઉન્ડેશન કોર્સનું આયોજન કરે છે, જેમાં તે 9th અને 10thના ટોપિકને ડીપમાં ભણાવે છે, જેનો ઉપયોગ બાળકો 11th 12th સાયન્સમાં કરી શકે છે. અમારી સ્કૂલ સ્પોર્ટ્સ અને એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલર એક્ટિવિટીઝમાં પણ પૂરું ધ્યાન આપે છે. જે વિદ્યાર્થીને જે પણ સ્પોર્ટ્સમાં આગળ વધવું હોય તેમાં તેને આગળ વધારે છે અને એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલરમાં પણ આગળ વધારે છે. હું પણ તબલામાં રાજ્ય લેવલે પહોંચ્યો, તેમાં મારી સ્કૂલનો બહુ મોટો ફાળો રહેલો હતો. ધન્યવાદ.
Hello friend, my name is Pawan Patel and I have secured 91.6% in 10th board. The credit for a wonderful result goes to my parents, teachers, and the management and principal. They supported me mentally, physically, spiritually in all walks of my life. My marks and my percentage has showed how properly Nalanda take care of their kid, how well organized management is. Nalanda, the temple of education in the Morbi, doesn't only provide education but also focused on various aspects of child. Nalanda has created an atmosphere where you can study freely. There was no hesitation to ask any silliest doubt to our teacher. They were always for us to solve our doubts, to support us in all possible ways they could. The principal goal of education in the school should be creating men and women who are capable of doing new things, not simply repeating or which other generations have done. These are the words of the Jean Piaget. Nalanda has also arranged G-NEET Foundation course for class 9th and 10th. These are the class which helped me a lot for science, maths, and in present I am studying in 11th class. The numericals of physics and chemistry are very easy for me as foundation course has built strong base for me. Once again, I would like to thank Nalanda family, their teachers and my parents. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Awadi Amit and I have completed my class 10th with flying colors by achieving 90.8%. For that, I thank Nalanda Vidyalaya for everything it has done for me. In Nalanda Vidyalaya, we give equal platform for both academics and non-academics. That is why I have performed at national level 2 times in Sepak Takraw and 5 times in state level in basketball. For that, I thank my sports teacher Dwivedi sir, all the teachers, management and principal sir. When I went to nationals, it took me 10 to 15 days. So I was very worried about my academics. But the way my teachers, management and the school helped me by completing my course with giving me essential guidance and special attention, it made me very free. लोग कहते हैं कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब. But at Nalanda we believe that पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो भी बनोगे नवाब. Thank you friends.
Hello friends, my name is Sarthak. Recently, I completed my 10th standard and I got 90.6% in my result. This is because of the school management, teachers and my parents who guided me, and because of their blessings, I got such marks. Under the guidance of Jayesh sir, I was able to solve the problems of physics part. From the beginning of the 10th standard, I was quite tensed because I was worried about the science part. But when Jayesh sir teach us, all the doubts were solved. The full day was another plus point. Whenever we had reading periods, we used to do our homework, and in remedial periods, we used to ask questions to sir. So this motivated me.
Namaskar everyone. My name is Jayati Bachchan and I have scored 90% in class 10. My journey with Nalanda is really mesmerizing. I did not realize that when I reached to class 10 and how easily I scored 90%. The best thing of Nalanda is that the weekly test system. It reminded me to revise my chapters frequently. And the plus point of Nalanda is that the remedial classes which were held regularly, where we cleared all the doubts and we were made very confident for board examination. I will always remember the values of life which I have learned from here, the surrounding that Nalanda provided me, and the lessons to fight the life which I will miss a lot. At last, I would like to thank all the people, my family, my teachers, coordinator, principal, management, my friends, and especially my mom and dad. Thank you.